Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we will be showing you guys our new space, our new office. So just a backstory, maybe you could tell them.
We were in Newlands and now we moved to Greystone Park.
Yeah.
It's a bigger office and it's actually nice. So we're still working on it. It's not yet done.
Yeah.
We're just gonna show you guys like what it's looking like now.
Yeah. So stay tuned and don't forget to do the right thing. Subscribe, like, and comment. And if you're new, thank you for coming to our channel because we've been growing. And thank you guys for subscribing to our channel. So we'll see you on the next clip. Okay guys, so we have some frames that we have here for our wall, for our office wall. This one is not yet done yet. We're about to spray paint it to black. It was gold before, as you guys can see. It's Harare. We got this online. This one, the Maasai woman picture, we got it from one of our friends from Arusha. His name is Slime Sang. We'll put his handle on the screen right now. He's a really good photographer. And these small ones, the two that have the Maasai women here, we've got them in Moshi. They're really cool, guys. We got them in this village called Tariro village, and they're really nice. And this one here, Chids, I got it from let me put it up. She got it from in Dubai when she went for this travel expo. It's an Egyptian painting frame. I don't know what you call it, but it's really nice. So we're gonna put them on the wall. We just want to finish spray painting the other ones, and then we'll put them on the wall for you guys so that you guys can see. So yeah, we're about to do that now. Okay guys, so we have a few things that we'll need for our frames over here to make sure that they look good. And so we went to Holstead's and bought a few, they're called picture books, brass plated. They look like that. And we got some spray paint. It's black. We actually had some, but we ran out, so we went and bought some. I don't know if you can see that. And then obviously we'll need screwdrivers. We need screws for the frames, and we need a little hammer for that. So that's what we're going to be using for the frames before we put them on our little wall over there. As you can see, we already painted it our corporate color. I don't know what to call it, but it's like a green. But yeah, we'll show you the little thing, and then we'll go from there. So what are you doing now? Okay, so now I'm gonna spray paint our frames. Ooh,
I'm gonna spray paint our frames with the black spray paint, and we'll go from there. So I'm just gonna.
So guys, there is no power. That's why you can hear generator in the next house. But
so I'm just gonna try and see. Okay, it's working properly. Yeah. So we're gonna spray paint. I'm gonna fix this one up. We hadn't done it so well because we're running out, and then I'm going to do the bigger one right after. So let's do it. Okay, we're done. So right now we're going to start screwing in a little bit of screws using this thread to tie so that we'll be able to hang the frames onto the wall. So that's what we're going to do right now. So can you see those two? Those. Now I'm going to use this thread to tie it across. Has to be loose. It shouldn't be like too tight like that, but it should be. Now we're gonna arrange the photos to how we like them to be, like on the wall. So obviously this is the biggest one, and we're just gonna work around the photos with this big one. So where is the Tariro one gonna go? Is it gonna go in the middle, so
or what are you
like
thinking?
In the middle, because it is the bigger one. It's almost like the center piece, I think. Yeah. So we have this one. I was thinking we do this and this. Let's see.
There's another one on the table.
Yeah. Still trying to check out how we're gonna make them look. Let's see. We'll obviously measure.
Yeah.
And this one at the end. I don't know. I like this.
With that one at the end?
Yeah. I think it just looks nicer, so that it kind of like puts a hole. I don't know. Let's see how we put it in. Okay, fine. So, like this. This will kind of come like
In the middle of both, yeah.
middle. We have to measure.
The distance between each one.
Yeah.
this. I think this is nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think this is nice.
Okay, so let's try and do that.
So we need to measure from upper and upper push one to upper cut. So that I'm way upper cut. So both sides in the space in the equal here. Okay guys, so we are pretty much done doing the wall, and so this is what our office is looking like right now. But the idea is to have two small desks. Right now, two small desks. Right now we just have a big desk. So one is going to be here, and then the other one is going to be that side, but it will be you, the person will be facing that side. So we're gonna have one here and one desk here. So yeah, this is how it is looking like right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, so if you're gonna come and book with us, you will come and see this is the setup right now. You never know. We're also gonna put a couch, a small little couch for, you know, extra people that are gonna come
Over there.
Yeah.
And like a
also
coffee. Yeah.
So
Like
we're gonna also put a small coffee table that side. Yeah. So for now, this is how our office is looking like, and yeah, guys. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching this video. This is our office, and hopefully next time we show you this office, everything will be in place, the couch and the two desks and all of that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, do the right thing. Bye.